front of me is Google Pixel 10 and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this icon at the bottom right corner to create an audio file using all of those options and hitting attach at the bottom right corner when you're done. To add already existing audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner instead. Select Files and look for yours by hitting one of those apps, tapping on Audio at the top, or selecting those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you find your file, tap on it to add it. If you want to create a video and add it instantly, use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Take a video and it will be automatically added after you tap the shutter. Like that. If you want to add already existing video, go back to the same options and scroll to look for it over here. When you find it, just tap on it. Then hit done. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!